Hi everyone, and this video will focus on main objects of general model and initial settings which we should be done before using eLeed ERP. Let's start from the directories. As I told you in previous video, all the data in eLeed ERP application is organized and accessible under four main type of objects: directories, documents, registry, and reports. So the directories are objects like a database and stores the basic information that used across the whole eLeed system. Let's review them and create. First of all, companies. This directory is stored data about the offices or branches that will be used in the whole eLeed system. If we are open it, we can see a list of already created companies. Company directory presented in two forms: list form and Windows form. All creations and new records do through clicking plus button or insert button on the keyboard. Editing do through a clicking edit button or if you double click on the record. You can also create a copy or duplicate of record, so to be able to easily change some fields without creating a record from zero. Let's look over all data what we got inside this record. Initially, record shown in non-editable mode, but clicking on K button, we unlock this record and able to edit all fields. Here we have main information in main tab, taxation information, common management information in management tab. Some fields are linked to the employee and subdivision directory, which we will cover later, and other tab and business profile. In business profile tab, we are adding business profiles which we define in the same named directory. Business profile directory. So this directory is designed to store the business profiles of company and presented in only one list form. Business profiles directory regulate a sharing of directories between users of same company and branch. The input and editing in this directory is done in the list form of the directory using following buttons: plus, edit, copy, delete record. Going ahead to geographical data, those data stored in countries, regions, and cities directories. And following hierarchy is used when saving geographical data in the eLeed system. Let's add one or two countries. After making changes, the directory must be saved using Save icon. Let me pay your attention to abbreviation field. This field is referenced in the country code when we create a Mirsal file. How to create a Mirsal file we will cover in logistics unit in the next videos. So if you are going to use this functionality with eMirsal file, the abbreviations should be added as per country codes issued by Dubai Trade Portal. Let's move to the most interesting part, to the counterparties directory. The terms counterparties in the eLeed app means any business entity with which the company conducts business. Here we have two directories, counterparties and counterparty groups. Counterparty groups is used to store the grouping under which counterparties will be stored. It can include customers, suppliers, shipping companies, service providers. Let me create some grouping structure. We are creating groups in counterparty groups directory, but groups can also be created directly from counterparties directory. Let me do it from here also. Counterparty groups directory present in two forms, list and Windows form. The difference that in counterparty groups we indicate business profiles, and for selection available on the business profile specified in the company directory, what we defined as main company in solution settings before. After grouping, let me show how to create counterparty itself. As you see, I created two more records, 3 totally. So all creation can be done manually or through a specific tool from settings tab. Downloading directories from Excel files. But this functionality we're going to cover in next videos. And one more feature I'm going to show you in this video. All data in any directory table part or document table part can be filtered or sorted. For example, in counterparty directory, easy to do sorting to click on the header of any field. And if we want to filter by some particular data of table part, we just click in F5 and enter the data by what we wanted to filter. Using symbol star, we can filter all data, even in the middle or any part of the string. Okay, very well. Now we know how to create counterparty. And let's move to the next directory, currency. Currency directory is located in accounting section. Let's open it. It's designed to store a list of currencies a company deals in. Currency directory is presented in two forms, list and Windows form. In the list form we can see currency and its exchange rate. The input and editing in this directory is done through the Windows form. Let's add, for example, one more currency. Let it be Pakistani rupee. Code is PKR. Exchange rate we can set through the document set currency exchange rate. Let's open it through the exchange rate registry. This document is used to post currency exchange rate for different currencies stored in the system. After posting this document, we can see that the currency rates in the directory have changed, and all the operations now will be done using these rates. It is important to note that to create a proper operation in eLeed system, main and national currencies must be defined in solution settings. This is all what I wanted to cover. Please keep your questions coming to the comments of this video. We'll do our best to answer them there. If you are interested in future videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you.